Good morning. My name is Juan Jamaica and explain natural and environment.
The environment is very important science to consume and consume protein minerals. Matai won the Nobel Prize for all his advances on environment explains. The animals and plants that live in their habitats cannot survive in we damage the forest. Recommendations to take care of the gift to most use to sheets and carbon recycled by organ products. Everything used on can be good start to a life and the great contribution to story.
It's easy to create as simple as what naturally of use with of exchange. In you all have to know to use it and be to help. We all right of time.
If I cannot die, the world was ending tomorrow. I will still plant early today. Reduce stress and mental fatigue. Increase the fitness. Improves the ability to concentrate. Accessory physical reward. Thank you.